Welcome back to Bodycam Originals. An officer conducted a traffic stop after observing a vehicle run a stop sign. Bodycam footage captured what happened when the driver immediately exited the vehicle and ignored repeated instructions from officers.
Stay in the car! Stay in the car!
For what?
Stay in the car!
Hey, fam, tighten up, bro.
Stay in the car!
Who is you talking to? I don't have nothing. Fam, tighten
Have him
up.
step it up. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
For what?
Get in the ground. You don't want to listen? Get on the ground. You're going to get tased. Get on the ground. Get me in there. I got one resisting. Going to be 40th or 43rd and Woodside. Get on the ground. You're going to get tased. Get on the ground. Get on the
How
ground.
am I getting on the ground?
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Tighten up, bro.
You're going to get tased, mother.
Why you?
Get on the ground. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Hey, put your hands by your back. Put your hands by your back. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Roll over. Roll over, mother. Get back. Roll over. There's no boy taking him into custody. All that for nothing. Seriously?
Damn, I didn't do anything, bro.
Now you got a felony.
I got the car and you.
Now you got a felony.
Come on, fam.
No, come on, fam, bullshit. I warned you about 7 times you were gonna get tased.
Fam, I got out the car and you started. What the f, bro?
Bravo 90, you start resting.
Can I get up, bro, please?
Get up, Robert.
Come on, bro. I did that unnecessary shit, bro. Come on, bro. Why you think that?
No, don't come on, bro, me. I gave you a lawful command to sit down.
Damn, why did you tell me to get out when I was already out the car, bro?
I told you to sit in the car.
Bro, I was already out
And
the
I'm
car.
not your bro.
I'm already out the car.
Yeah, I
bro.
gave you, and I put my lights on, I gave you a lawful command.
Get the text.
Negative.
Florida, Quebec, Romeo, Lima, Romeo 5-1.
No, you don't listen, man. And then you want to I put my hands on you and you want to push back on me? That's battering a law enforcement officer. Congrats. You did the most today.
Come on, bro.
No, we're not come on bro in anything.
Fam, what was the reason why you put? What was the reason for this? Why did you put your hands on me, bro?
You got there in your pockets, bro?
And then after that, you tased me, bro. Come on, man.
Yeah, you were given about 7 to 10 warnings.
Bro, why
And
did
you
you
don't
walk?
wanna
For
listen.
what? For what was the reason?
Oh, we're going to talk why I'm stopping you in the first reasons other than your illegal sin. We'll have that conversation. Hold on.
Damn, bro. Oh, you just tased me, bro.
When we give you lawful orders, you gotta listen, bro. I told you 3
Damn.
times put chains behind your back. He was gonna tase you.
Bro,
I was gonna tase you too.
I'm trying to talk. I'm trying to figure
Ain't no
out what the fuck
talking.
going on.
Ain't no talking.
Damn,
When
you
an
talking about- what
an
you talking
officer
about?
tells you to put chains behind your back, you listen. That's it. That's called resisting, all right?
Oh, this crazy. This shit is crazy, bro.
Sir, do you live here?
Huh?
Do you live here?
Bro, my cousin stay here, bro.
Sir, do you live here? That's my
No, I
question.
do not stay here.
Okay, so who's your cousin?
Bro,
So you don't live here, you don't belong here, is that
I'm
correct?
not disclosing any information.
Well, you have to disclose that information.
No, I
I'm not
do not.
asking you any
No, I do not.
specific questions.
No, I do
Yeah. Okay, yes you do. You have to identify yourself, and that's what I'm asking. Do you live here?
I do not stay here. My
Okay,
cousin stay here.
what is your address?
I stay down the street.
Okay, what is your address?
I stay down the street, bro.
What is your address, sir?
I'm not disclosing any information.
Okay, so you're resisting.
I'm not
Yeah, that's
Y'all
our charge. I'm letting you know. I need to know where you live.
Y'all arrest me for no reason. Come on now.
Sir, I don't care about the arrest. The arrest portion has nothing to do
And
with
then
me.
you talk about I'm
asking you-
resisting officer.
I'm asking
man.
you
What am
where.
I doing?
Where do you
I
live,
got out of the
sir?
car. I didn't even know what was going on. He talking
Sir,
about
where do you
shit up.
live? Hey,
Come
you
on.
cancel. You're not speaking. Just transform myself. Put down your 3 minutes. He doesn't live here. This car's illegally parked like that, so we're gonna tow it too.
Bro, what you mean rip it out? What the EMS like that? You better tell that. Come on, bro. You know what you were doing, bro.
Did you identify yourself?
Give my name for what? What do you mean?
You're under arrest. That's
Damn,
why.
all right, then I'm under arrest. What?
Hey, well, you have to identify yourself,
not-
otherwise you'll be delaying and
Damn,
hindering my
You don't even know what you're
investigation.
talking about,
Delaying and hindering my investigation.
bro.
45 feet left.
So,
You're arresting me for no reason, fam. Like,
no, I am.
I know. That's why I'm not telling you my name. Come on, brother. What are you doing? Come on, fam. Come on, bro. No. fam. Come on.
Well, they can't stand you. If you go sit in the car, they'll get implanted further in your back. So, yeah. Good.
I got you, bro. Hold on.
Where's my keys at? Where's my stuff at?
Okay, it's over there. Go sit down.
Can you unlock? Can you?
I already loosened it for you, dog.
No, you didn't loosen the regular, man.
Listen, I loosened it for you. The only thing you gotta do,
please, bro.
you gotta listen. I'm gonna work with you. But what you gotta do is put your hands like you're praying. Cause not if they like this, it's gonna hurt.
No, that's what I'm saying. I can't even do that, bro.
That's
I gotta
what I'm
have it like
saying. So
that.
I'm gonna do it one more time. So turn it like this. Like that. Listen, you're already in this situation, bro. All right, you're gonna make this a whole lot easier on yourself. Just give me information, dog. I'm gonna get it regardless. You might as well work with me, 'cause
he said for my
fam,
test.
I wasn't there. I was only there when I got here, and I told you I told you at least 2 or 3 times. Put your hands behind your back. Listen to the officer. You did not. All right. So I already know you got resistant. I don't know anything else about the car stop. Maybe the tent. I don't have the information, but it's gonna make it easier on you if you just give me your name, dog.
All right, bro.
I'm more
EVANS, bro. I know y'all not finna work with me. Y'all just.
Well, I'm
y'all
already,
do y'all
bro.
job. Y'all just
Was
do
I
your
rude?
job.
Was I
Right
rude
here,
with you
right here, right
at
here.
all? What's the
I
information?
thought the car you started, bro. You was about to tase me, fam.
And I did not, but I told you put your hands behind your back.
And then as soon as I turn around trying to listen to you, he tried to tase me from the back, bro.
Are you spell it
Come on, bro.
EVANS?
Yes.
Evans?
Yes.
You have a middle initial?
No.
What's your last name?
Metellus.
Spell your last name?
METELLUS.
L what?
LLUS.
Metellus?
Yeah.
Date of birth?
01/17/97.
That's your car, right? That's your car?
That's my people's
And
car.
you said somebody,
That my cousin stay here.
your cousin stay here? What's your cousin's name?
They rather not. I'd rather not have them say that.
No, you don't. I'm just saying, because they're going to
Alright,
try and
that's
check.
fine. No,
Because
you
I'm
good.
trying to prevent from your car being towed.
No, you
Because
good.
if your cousin lives here,
Can
your
I
cousin...
have my peoples come pick it up?
No. Does your cousin...
The incident ended with the driver being taken into custody after a prolonged struggle and investigation. According to authorities, he was later charged with battery, resisting arrest with violence, obstructing an officer without violence, and driving with a suspended driver's license. The encounter highlights how a routine traffic stop can quickly become more complicated when officers' commands are repeatedly ignored.